What's up, everybody? I am back with yet another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime unboxing from, I believe, Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. I'm not sponsored by Amazon Prime, but I'd love to be. I'm not sponsored by the item in this, which is Blue Diamond Almonds Bold Sweet Thai Chili, but I would love to be. They got this cool little vacuum seal bag. So what do you guys think of almonds? I like finding healthy, yummy snacks. The macros are pretty good. There's 5 total carbs per serving. Deduct 3 grams of fiber, and we have 2 grams of net carbs. So it's relatively low in carb, it's high in fiber, and it gets the job done. Yummy flavor, little kick, little Thai flavor. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also, if you like cool t-shirts like this one right here, you can go to onceuponatea.net. That's where I got this one, onceuponatea.net. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code, and you'll save a couple bucks off your shirt order. Another cool shirt site is riptapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com. Same thing. Use my username as your code, and you'll save a couple bucks off your purchase. Please check out some of my other thousands and thousands of unboxings and taste test videos. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best, and have a great day. What's your favorite Blue Diamond almond?